Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we will be looking at how to set up your iPhone camera in night mode. So for that we have iPhone 11 in our hands, and let's open the camera app. Once you open the app, on the left top corner you will find two icons. The first one is for flash and the second one is for the night mode. But please note, you have to turn off the flash for the night mode to work. So let's turn off the flash now. So this is turned off, which has a slash on it, and on the right hand side you have the night mode, which is turned on now, wherein you don't have the slash there. But there is one catch here. For the night mode to work properly, Apple has made sure that there is actually night outside so that it can adjust the exposure of the light. So for that, for demonstration purposes, let's get a black object near it, and you will see that it changes the timing automatically on the left top corner. As you can see, it is waiting for 3 seconds now so that it can capture maximum light. So this is how easy it is to get into night mode in iPhone camera. So thank you for watching.